this video, we are going to discuss the relation between polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. Relation between polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. So, let us consider a point P having Cartesian coordinates x and y. If we want to represent this point P on x and y axis, we can represent like this. It is x axis, this is y axis, and it is origin. So we are considering this is point P whose coordinates are x and y. These are the Cartesian coordinates. Also consider this point P has polar coordinates r and theta. These are polar coordinates. The distance between the origin and this point P, it is represented by this r, and this is an angle theta which is made with the x-axis. Okay, so if I draw perpendiculars from this point P to the axis x, this, let's say this point is B, so this distance will be y. Similarly, if I draw like this distance will be x. As this distance CP is x, this distance OB will also be x. And as this distance PB is y, so this distance OC will also be y. So now we have to see what is the relation between these Cartesian coordinates x and y and r and theta. So consider in triangle POB, as this angle B is of 90 degree, means angle OBP is of 90 degree. Therefore, by hypotenuse theorem, what is hypotenuse theorem? It is the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides, right? Means hypotenuse is OP, so OP square is equal to OP square plus, you can say BP or PB. I will say BP square. So OP, it is nothing but R, so this will be R square. OB, it is X, so it is X square, plus PB, it is Y, so it is Y square. Now taking square root on both sides, R is equal to under root of X square plus Y square. So this is obtained after taking square root. We can give reason taking square root on both sides. So this is the first equation. Now the same triangle POB, if I want a trigonometric function, that is tan theta, then tan theta is what? It is the ratio of opposite side, that is BP, to the adjacent side, that is OB. So BP it is y and OB it is x. So tan theta is equal to y upon x. So we obtained tan theta is equal to y upon x. This is the another important equation. So from this equation 1 and 2, if Cartesian coordinates x and y are given, then we can find the polar coordinates r and theta. Now if r and theta will be given, then how can we find x and y? So for that, consider in the same triangle OBP, if I want another trigonometric function, that is sin theta. So this sin theta will be, it is the ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. So opposite side is BP and hypotenuse is OP. So BP, value of BP, it is y, and OP, it is r. So sin theta is equal to y by r. Therefore I can write y is equal to this r, which is divisible to y, it becomes multiple to sin theta. So we obtained y is equal to r sin theta. Similarly, in the same triangle OBP, if we find cos theta is what? It is the ratio of adjacent side. Adjacent side is OB to the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OP. So OB, it is x, and OP, it is r. Therefore x is equal to r cos theta is obtained. In this way, let's say this is equation 3, this is equation 4. So equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 gives us the relation between polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. Question may be asked to calculate the polar coordinates if Cartesian coordinates are given, and to find the Cartesian coordinates when polar coordinates will be given. Thank you.